Chris Gunnels here with Real Financial Success, and today we're going to talk about what options are in the stock market. Options in the stock market are, simply put, they're just a way to buy and sell insurance for the underlying, for something like Apple or Amazon or eBay. Any type of stock. It could also be an indice like the S&P 500 or the Russell 2000 or the Dow Jones, or it can also be an exchange traded fund as well. Now, why would you want to buy options or sell options, or as I like to call it, insurance, right? Well, why would you buy car insurance? Why would you buy home insurance? Why would you buy life insurance? It's all to you buy those insurances to protect your underlying asset, right? An analogy that I like to think of when it comes to buying and selling options in the stock market is let's pretend that that your house is on fire and you're trying to get insurance, homeowners insurance for a home that is on fire right at this very moment. Do you think any insurance company is going to offer you or give you insurance? No, they're not going to. What's interesting about the stock market is that let's pretend you have stock in Amazon, and Amazon came out with earnings and it was terrible, and their forecasting is terrible, and all of a sudden Amazon plummets. Let's say it drops 100 points, $100. Very quickly. Well, in the stock market, you could buy insurance or you could buy an option to protect your underlying asset or your Amazon stock. Now, how cool is that? You could have stock on fire, if you will, and then you can also buy insurance on that to protect it. So one of the things that I like to do is I don't really like to buy the insurance, or I don't like to buy options. I will do that if I need to, but I like to sell the options or sell the insurance. If you think about it, what are the biggest buildings downtown? They're your insurance companies and your bank companies, right, or your banks. So that's the thing that I like to do, is I like to sell the insurance or sell the options. And the reason why is because it creates a residual or a passive income for me and my family. And in later videos, we'll discuss how you actually go and sell these options and how you make money from doing it. On a side note, I guess you could say, I wanted to put this out there and let you know that buying and selling options isn't something that you have to do. Like, it's not day trading. You don't have to do it all the time. You can put on a couple trades during the week and come back on Friday and check them. It takes maybe 5-10 minutes a week for me to go in and buy some options and check on them, make sure they're continually going in the direction that I want them to go. Of course, if you want to day trade and if you have a huge account, like $100,000 or $250,000 account, you can constantly put on trades and take trades off. That's just something, if you want to do, you can, but just for some people, they don't like to sit in front of a computer and day trade. Essentially, they have a 9-to-5 job, or they have a business they like to run, or they have other hobbies and things that they want to do. Well, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want you to stay tuned for later this week. I have another video I'm putting out that gives you an example of how you can sell these stock options and make some money doing it. Now, before you go, I want to introduce you to the brokerage account. Well, actually, I use two different brokerages accounts. I use TD Ameritrade and I use Tastyworks. Tastyworks is a new brokerage that I've learned about, and I'm working with them. And the reason why I've opened an account with them is because they have a lot lower commissions. And so I encourage you guys to click on my referral link down below and go and sign up. You can. I would encourage you also to fund your account with $2,000. That's their minimum for their margin accounts. Hey, if you liked what you've seen today, if you liked what you've learned, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also ring that bell so you're notified when we put out a new video. Thanks for watching today, and have a good one. We'll see you next time.